Welcome to Tiki Taka Award Show of 2024. This isn't just any award ceremony. The winners have been chosen by you. With over 400 casted votes, it's time to celebrate the stars who made 2024 unforgettable. From breathtaking goals to incredible performances, and get started with our first award. To kick things off, we are celebrating the rising star who impressed us all with their incredible talent. And here are the nominees for the Best Youngster of 2024. And the winner, with 55% of votes, is Lamine Yamal. Moving on to our next award. Coaches are the masterminds behind the success of their teams. Coaches make a bad team into a good team. And the nominees are and the winner is Carlo Ancelotti. Coaches make bad team into good team, but midfielders are the heart and soul of any team, dictating play and making things happen on the pitch. The nominees for the best midfielder of 2024 are and the winner is Jude Bellingham. We have already talked about the club coach of the year, but what about the international coach? This award celebrates the coach who led their national team to glory, and the nominees for the best international coach of the year are and the winner is Lionel Scaloni. The goalkeepers are the last line of defense, and these players were exceptional in the keeping their nets clean. The nominees for the best goalkeeper of the year are and the winner is none other than Emiliano Martinez. We have already talked about midfielders, but defenders are the warriors who protect the goal and keep strikers back. The nominees for the best defender of 2024 are the winner is Virgil van Dijk. These players made huge headlines this year. The nominees for the best breakthrough player are and the winner is Rasmus Højlund. Some players made incredible progress in 2024, the most improved player of 2024, and the nominees are and the winner is Joao Felix. The player that spent most of his time on bench. The nominees for the best injured player of 2024 are in second, we have Rodri with 43% of votes, but the winner is Neymar with 44% of votes. The player who became one of the biggest memes of 2024, and the nominees for the best flop of the year are and the winner for the biggest fraud or meme of 2024 is Anthony Goat. The nominees for the worst signing of 2024 are and the winner, who was a total waste of money, is Moises Caicedo. Now we celebrate the signing that truly made a difference award ceremony. The nominees for best signing of 2024 are And the winner is Kylian Mbappe. The winners have been chosen by you with their skill, flair, and creativity. The nominees for the most entertaining player are the winner is Vinicius Junior. The player who have captured the hearts of millions of fans all around the world. This is the fan favorites. The nominees are and the winner with 70% of the votes is none other than Cristiano Ronaldo. The nominees for the best oldest player who are even retired are and the winner is Toni Kroos. The best goal of 2024. The nominees are and the winner with 90% of the votes is Garnacho's bicycle kick. The player who was best in the Premier League. The nominees for the best Premier League player are and the player that won is Phil Foden. The player who was best in La Liga. The nominees for the best La Liga player are the winner is none other than Vinicius Junior. But the player who was best in Bundesliga. The nominees for the best Bundesliga player are and the winner is Harry the Spaza Kane. The player who was best in Serie A. The nominees for the best Serie A player of 2024 are and the winner is Lautaro Martinez. The player who was best on the international stage. The nominees for the best international player of 2024 are and the winner is Lionel Messi. Now it's time for the biggest award of the night, the Best Men's Player of 2024. The nominees for the Best Men's Player of 2024 are and the player that came in second is Kylian Mbappe with 32.7% of votes, and the winner by only 0.3% of votes is Vinicius Junior. Now we are honoring the team that achieved greatness throughout 2024. The nominees for the best team of the year are and the winner is none other than the Champions League winners Real Madrid. The nominees for the most surprising team of 2024 are and the winner is Bayern Leverkusen. The team which kept the most consistency, and the nominees are and the winner is Real Madrid. the team which is fans' favorite. The nominees for the Fan Favorite Award of 2024 are and the winner is Real Madrid. The nominees for the best comeback of 2024 are and the winner is Real Madrid vs Manchester City UCL match. The nominees for the best international team of 2024 are and the winner is Argentina. The best club of the year 2024 has been chosen. The nominees are and the winner is Real Madrid.